Welcome back. Now, when you first begin to use Amazon S3, what you can do is you can set up what is called an IAM user. And this will give you access to your AWS portal without revealing your admin credentials, or even if you want to give those IAM credentials to someone who's going to use your AWS account, but you don't want to give them admin privileges over billing or anything else. So one of the first things you can do is you can type in IAM, and you can then click on that link. You can then click on this users link, and once you've clicked the add user button, you'll be brought to this screen, and you can create a username for your IAM user. Now, there are always going to be two kinds of access. If you're going to give some kind of software or online service access to your S3 account, that's going to be programmatic access. It means they're not going to need human interaction with your account. If you're going to give access to someone, or you're going to give yourself an alias, what you can do is you can use the AWS Management Console access. In this case, that's what we're going to use. Then, of course, you'll decide whether or not it's going to be an auto-generated password or one that you create. You can decide on whether or not the person is going to have a password reset, and then you're going to click Permissions. You're then going to click Create a Group. You're going to give that group a name. And now there are going to be various levels of access, and depending on how you're going to be using S3, you are going to determine that from the filter policy. Now, when you are doing programmatic access, they're using an API. They'll typically tell you what kind of policy you're going to need to set up. If you're just going to set up an admin access for yourself, what you can do is you can write in S3, and you can see that you can either give full access, read-only access, or quick site access for storage management. So you'll click the full access link, you'll then click Create Group, you'll then click Next Review. Once you've done that, you'll then hit Create User, and then your user will be ready to get started. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.